Hey guys, it's the Service Guru at the Service Shack with another episode of Tips and Tricks. With more and more fleets retraining front-load drivers how to operate an ASL, the Heil Autonomous Lift Option, or H.A.L.O for short, allows drivers new to the automated collection to be both confident and productive on day one. With H.A.L.O and the optional heads-up display, the operator merely has to watch the HUD until the cart is between the superimposed lines. Then the operator simply needs to press the red push button on the H.A.L.O equipped joystick. Or, if they have the optional foot controller, press the left foot switch and the Command-SST arm will automatically grab the cart, dump it, and replace it back where it was originally picked. All of this happens with the operator's eyes facing forward. With H.A.L.O, the complexity of ASL operation has been drastically simplified to allow the operator to focus on driving the vehicle and what's around the vehicle, not dumping the cart. If you have any questions about the Command-SST and what it can do for your operation, visit our website at www.heil.com or contact your nearest Heil dealer. Remember, we're always here to help, and we're all in this together.